Hi, I'm Orlando Perez, Chief Platform Owner for the FaroArm, and today I'd like to talk to you about our new Quantum S FaroArm and our new Quantum S ScanArm. The Quantum S is FARO's most accurate arm ever. It is also the most rigorously tested arm in FARO's 35-year history. The Quantum Arm is available in two different axis configurations, the 6-axis and the 7-axis. The Quantum Arms are available in multiple working volumes. The working volume is defined as the reach that the arm has around its environment. The 6-axis comes in lengths of 1.5, 2.5, 3.5 meters, and we are now introducing FARO's longest arm to date, the 4-meter arm. In the 7-axis, we have lengths of 2.5, 3.5, and 4 meters. Let's take a small step back and do a quick unboxing of the Quantum and see what's included with your system. The Quantum comes in a heavy-duty shipping and storage case. Inside the case, the arm is safely nested in an anti-static protective foam, along with our standard probe kit, a universal mounting plate, a power supply, a battery, dust cover, and the calibration certificates. This case is designed to protect the arm when being transported to and from your location, and when being moved and stored throughout your facility. The proper way to remove the FaroArm from the case is to simply grab the handle, secure it to the end effector cradle, and lift it straight up using the built-in handle on the base. To mount the arm, simply set the arm onto the universal mounting ring and tighten the locking ring at the base of the arm. The locking ring has pull-out handles, making this an easy, tool-less operation. The FARO Quantum S is the best high-accuracy 3D contact measurement solution in the market today. Now, if your needs also call for a non-contact scanning solution, the FARO Blue Laser Line Probe is the perfect companion to your Quantum Arm. The FARO Blue has best-in-class high-definition optics. It also offers optically superior blue laser technology that delivers incredible performance when scanning dark and reflective surfaces. With its 300 frames per second capability and extra wide scanning stripe of up to 150 millimeters, it allows for the capture of a whopping 600,000 points per second, resulting in a powerful boost to your measurement speed and efficiency. What does all this translate into? More high-quality data with fewer scan passes. I've been at FARO for over 20 years, and the Quantum S is far and away the best arm FARO has ever made. As part of our commitment to measurement excellence, we decided to adopt a new global certification standard. The ISO 10360-12 standard introduces more rigorous and all-encompassing processes and methodologies for the performance verification of portable measurement arms. How is the ISO standard different from the B89 standard? The ISO standard requires a larger number of measurements with greater degrees of articulation than the B89, making it more stringent and more challenging, truly pushing the envelope of portable measurement technology. For example, while the B89 standard requires certain measurements from a single position, single orientation, the ISO standard requires similar measurements from multiple orientations, revealing the true performance of an articulated measuring device. With ISO, an arm's weak points cannot be hidden. This certification process requires more arm positions and numerous articulations of the arm. So, when we do compensation and calibration, we put the Quantum S through all of its paces. The ISO procedure takes 3 times longer to complete than B89 due to the additional positions and articulations of the arm. It fully characterizes the performance of the arm through a rigorous process, resulting in a truly shop-hardened, more accurate, more stable, and highly reliable product. The Quantum FaroArm is the only device certified to ISO 10360-12, the new international industry standard. Additionally, the FaroArm and FARO Blue Laser Line Probe are certified together as a complete ScanArm system. More and more measurement arms are moving out of the metrology room and onto the factory floor where the work is being performed. The factory floor is a much more harsh environment than the metrology room. Unlike traditional CMMs, arms are transported to where the measurement is taken. So the movement and transportation, whether across a factory or across the country, can sometimes result in rough treatment. With this in mind, we are stress testing the Quantum S arm for temperature, shock, and vibration. The testing is to various IEC standards plus military spec standards. The stress testing starts with extreme temperature cycling, ranging from a scorching 60 degrees Celsius to a frigid minus 20 degrees Celsius. First at component level and then on the fully assembled arm. Next, we shake the arm a lot with vibration testing. After all the initial abuse, the arm goes into its first round of compensation and calibration. After it passes compensation and calibration, we're not done yet. We subject the Quantum arm to drop testing. It gets dropped at least 4 times to simulate the worst transportation nightmares, either by careless shippers or accidents as you move the Quantum throughout your facility. After we're finished torturing the Quantum, we make sure it's still healthy, so it goes through one more compensation and calibration round. At this point, each Quantum gets a calibration certificate. What does this mean? When your Quantum is delivered, you can be sure that it is reliable, rugged, and able to stand up to the harshest environments. Now that you have your FaroArm, the next thing you think about is usage and ergonomics. How much effort does it take to use a FaroArm? Sherry Delgado is with me to talk about ease of use. Hi, Sherry.
Hi, Orlando. How are you today?
Good. She's an expert with years of experience in 3D scanning. So tell us, what do you think about the new FaroArm?
You know, Orlando, I've used scanning technology extensively for long periods of time, and scanning can become tiresome after a while. But the Quantum arm is the lightest and easiest I've ever used. It's perfectly balanced and featherweight. I can scan much longer without any fatigue. So I definitely recommend trying it.
Thank you, Sherry. So now let's talk a little bit more about ergonomics. One of our new features is our Quick Change Kinematic Intelligent Probe. The probe contains special electronics to allow it to be changed quickly and easily without the use of tools or the need for recalibration. The software will also automatically recognize the newly attached probe. This saves you time and effort. The Quantum arm is extremely lightweight and portable. To allow for maximum portability, the Quantum supports true cable-free operation. Dual hot swappable batteries allow for continuous, uninterrupted operation without powering down. The Quantum also has wireless capabilities that allow you to probe and scan over a Wi-Fi connection without the need for cumbersome cables. So you can take your Quantum directly to where you need to do the measuring. Set it up and get to work. We believe that the FARO Quantum S is the best portable coordinate measurement machine on the market. We prepared a portable 3D measurement arm decision guide for buyers. If you want a copy of this decision guide, please get in touch with your FARO account manager or our inside sales team, and they will be glad to provide a copy for you. The choice is yours, and the choice is simple. The Quantum S is the best measurement arm on the market. How about having FARO demo it for you so you can see it for yourself?